This is the 3-in-1 Belgian Waffle, Panini Press, and Indoor Grill we were sent to review from Metine, so let me show you a closer look. There are 3 sets of plates that are easy to swap out with the press of a button. You've got a grill that cooks anything from bacon to veggies to quesadillas. Oh, yum! Yes, perfect. You've got a panini sandwich press, and you've got a Belgian waffle iron that makes 2 waffles at a time. The surface is non-stick, but you can add a cooking spray or butter for taste or crunch. There are 5 heat settings, but no timer, so you just use your own timer, no big deal. Lock the handle when cooking, but it stays cool to the touch, so you can unlock it and check on the progress as needed. This is about half a cup of batter, so a little more is ideal, but oh my gosh, so good. Yes. Perfection. The plates are easy to wash and dishwasher friendly. You gotta love that too. It's a compact device that's so handy in the kitchen. Whether in a dorm room, an apartment, or a large home, you're gonna love this. I know we do.